here's my issue. So you were given $65,000 from Ohio, which is Armstrong's own state. You were given access to NASA, to Gene Kranz, to the archivists, to these original German scientists, to Buzz Aldrin. I should watch your film, Aaron, and be convinced that we went. So my confusion is, you stated here tonight that you might be a skeptic, but you hope or you think that we went. But your video doesn't match at all what your opinion is now. Your video shows very clearly that you can't prove it. So isn't it...
well, it's really... how can I... It's hope. It's hope that we really went. It's blind faith. Just...
Could I have been handed a better quote? I mean, this is what I've been saying for 4 years, guys. And he just admitted it. Now, remember, this is even somebody who's been given $65,000 to prove it. Couldn't prove it. And he says here, well, I think we went because it's blind faith. One more time.
Well, it's really, how can I... It's hope. It's hope that we really went. It's blind faith, just like that band, you know?